This is coming out the front door. Just a slight view of the 22 acres. Directly ahead of me here is another 1 acre lot with a home they're building on it that's for sale that joins this property for $319,000. It's another complete home and property adjoining this one. I can get details on that if you'd like. So now we're going to walk around towards the shop. Three bay doors. Nice awning. Huge circle driveway. Plenty of room for entertainment and guests to park. We're now going into the shop area. Storage up top. Plenty of room for toys. And this appears to be a place for currently boat storage. And evidently we do a lot of fishing.